This is a response vid to Goindeff. Field strip a Glock, one-handed. Gun's safe. I'm going to up the ante a little bit more. I'm even going to field strip my Taurus PT709 Slim. Alright, let's start with the Glock. Alright, let's reassemble it. I think this is easy as pie. I mean, I can't believe. There you go. Done. Alright. Try the Taurus. Okay. Alright. There you go. This is so easy, man. I can't believe you even asked. They said, I bet you can't do this. Well, I guess he's right. He's going to have to eat his own words. There you go. Glock and Taurus PT709 Slim. Easy as pie, dude. So easy.